Good day to everyone. I am Christine Kamansi from BSED English 1A, and I am the one who will be talking about to introduction to Japanese history, cultures, traditions, and beliefs, and also the tale of Genji. But I am the one who was assigned to discuss about the Japanese cultures, traditions, and belief. As a Filipino citizen, as I observe, our Philippine culture is respecting respecting to others, or respectful and helping other people, which is gitawag na siya og kanang bayanihan bitaw. Then and the religious faith, mao na akong obserbahan sa Philippine culture. So as of now, I will be share and discuss about some culture, traditions, and belief of Japanese. So first, Japanese culture is aesthetic refinement. So aesthetic refinement is appreciation for beauty and simplicity. Japanese culture is deeply ingrained in its traditions, influenced by principles of harmony and a deep connection to nature. So, as you can see in the picture, it had some example of aesthetic refinement for the Japanese culture, which is the Ikebana and Sado. So, Ikebana literally meaning giving life to flowers, and it is the Japanese art of flower arrangement, in which the arrangement brings nature and humanity closer together. The shapes, forms, and colors of the flowers are very important, but unlike Western customs, emphasis is put on the flower stems and leaves, which is ang ikebana is nani sila sa sud sa house sa mga Japanese, which is ang ikebana mag-serve sa ilaha og kanang mura bitaw close sila sa uban nga ko nila nga mga Japanese. Then ang ikebana pod isa po siya sa kanang mura bitaw if naa siya sa kanang house sa mga Japanese, mag-serve ni sila as kanang pangpaswerte bitaw nila, like it is also emphasizes simplicity and understated elegance and a respect for nature, which is if magbutang sila og ikebana sa ilahang house, like nag-care po sila sa nature nila, like ilahang gi-overwhelm kung unsa ka important ang mao nga mga like mga halaman-halaman bitaw. And next is the Sado. Sado is a Japanese tea ceremony, the way of tea or chanuyo, and it is a Japanese cultural activity involving the ceremonial preparation and presentation of matcha, powdered green tea, or the procedure of which is called timi. And kani siyang sado is usually ni siya gina-serve sa mga visitors sa mga taga-Japan, or it is a traditional and highly ritualized way of serving and drinking green matcha tea, involving a host and one or more guests. Kung sa ato pa Pilipinas, ang kasagaran nga gina-serve nato if nato visitor is Coke or juice. Pero sa taga-Japan, ang ilahang gina-serve sa mga tao, which is ang tawag nila nga sado, which is green tea. Mao na ang meaning sa sado. And ma-involve and ma-appeal na sad ni siya sa culture sa Japanese, kay mao nilang nakagisnan if mao nilang pag kanang overwhelm or pagtanggap sa mga visitor nga mudong sa ilahang tagsa-tagsa nga panimalay, which is ang moserve sila og gitawag nila nga sado. So in the next slide is the Japanese culture, which is called cuisine. So, as you can see in the picture, it is a food nga ilahang ginakaon sa taga-Japan. And Japanese cuisine is celebrated for its meticulous attention to fresh, seasonal ingredients and elegant presentation, and reflecting Japan's culinary innovation. So, kaning mga sushi, ramen, tempura, mo ni ang kanunay nila kanon if kanang naa sila yung mga especially kanang mga nila na sila celebration, or especially na sila mga visitors pod, mo nila hang like mo nila hang best food nga ilahang ma-serve sa mga visitor nila. And kuan nato po nila na influence ning kaning tempura o ramen sa kuan din dahil Japan dahil ni siya. Mao na siya ang another culture sa Japanese, which is ang ilahang pagkaon. And the last Japanese culture, which is the pop culture. So, pop culture or Japanese pop culture encompasses a diverse range of entertainment and artistic expressions that have gained international popularity. So, as you can see in the picture, tulo ni siya ka pop culture, which is the anime, manga or manga, and cosplaying. Kani sila ang tulo, which is sikat ni sila sa Japan kay kaning mga naa diri sa picture mao ni ang nag-symbolize or kanang unsa lang term ani ay or kanang tourist spot bitaw, or nag sign or symbol nga kaning nga picture, kaning nasa picture kay mao ni kanang popular, mao ni ang popular sa Japan. First is the anime. So, anime characters often embody traditional Japanese values such as respect for elders, hard work, and loyalty. They also often exhibit characteristics that are specific to Japanese culture, such as love of sushi or sake or alcohol. Palainom po din yung mga wandi ay mga taga-Japan. Then, next is the manga or manga. So, manga's pictures and text has traditionally been a significant part of Japanese popular culture, entertainment, art form, and literature. Generally, manga can be classified into many different categories such as editorial cartoon, sports cartoon, daily humor strip, advertising cartoon, spot cartoon, o syndicated panel. So, murag ani siya kanang ani nag-start ang kanang mga anime bitaw, or like mga comics. Then next is the cosplaying. So, Japanese cosplayers are often women, although they sometimes impersonate male characters. Cosplay is usually a hobby, and passionate amateurs make her costume by hand from scratch. And the oldest cosplayers now practice this family hobby and introduce their children. Cosplay has since evolved into a full-fledged subculture in Japan, with a devoted community of cosplayers who take their craft to impressive height. Mao na siya ang sa kanang cosplaying, di ba? Napo diri kasagaran ang mga kanang cosplaying diri sa Philippines, na putay nga ni dito din nato pud ni nila na influence. So next is we will going to discuss about the Japanese tradition. So first, Japanese traditions is the seasonal traditions. So Japanese traditions are deeply rooted in the appreciation of seasonal changes, reflecting a reverence for nature's beauty and the passage of time. So as you can see in the picture, it had Hanami and their New Year's ritual. So Hanami is kanang ting kane ting flower, I think ting usbong bitaw sa kanang sikat ba dito sa ilaha kanang, which is the sakura or kanang sakura flower. So Hanami literally means flower viewing. So however, it commonly refers only to cherry blossom viewing. So as you can see in the picture, daghan jud mga Japanese ang magdong dito every kanang if mo bloom na bitaw ang gitawag nila nga kuan kanang sakura or cherry blossom. So some family do picnics or kanang ato sila magbanding-banding with their family. And next is the New Year's ritual. So ang New Year's rituals or traditions sa mga taga Japanese, which is gitawag og Hatsumode. So ang Hatsumode is have a meaning is when people visit a Shinto shrine or a Buddhist temple at the beginning of the new year. Like maghuwat sila og buntag. Then it is a time to express gratitude for the past year and pray for good fortune in the coming year. And during Hatsumode, people make wishes and buy charms for good luck. So na sila mga kanang sa tawag na ay na sila mga pampaswerte pod nga paliton. Kung sa ato pa diri sa Pilipinas, magkuan bitaw tag mga fungsoy bitaw, like nandiyo tay mga pangtotoo, like magpahula ta sa unsa nga year or lucky bata diri nga ani nga tuig or good ba atong year, ana nga exact nga new year. Then sa pod ang Filipino kanang musimba sila every January 1, ana sa buntag pa na sila. Then kuan ra mag-celebrate ra sa sud sa bahay kanang mga lingin-lingin mao na nya kana mga lingin-lingin. I think kay sa Japanese sa Chinese man ata na nato na kanang na influence kanang mga lingin 13 kay aron swerte daw mao na sa Philippine. But sa Japanese na sila gitawag nga Hatsumode, which is mudong sila sa ilahang kanang Shinto shrine or Buddhist temple para ato sila mo express silang gratitude sa nadawat nila nga mga grasya for the past years. So the next Japanese traditions is the ancestral worship. So ancestral worship are practices serve to maintain a connection with the past, show respect for one's lineage, and seek blessings and guidance from departed loved ones. As you can see in the picture, it is called the kanang Ubon. So Ubun is a multi-day Japanese festival dedicated to remembering and honoring the dead. It's a time of homecoming with families taking part in traditions to respect their ancestors. The origin stories are largely based on the 10 great disciples of Gautama Buddha. So, uh, chuchin or paper lanterns are hung to guide the spirits, and ubon dances or bon odori are performed. Then, family have reunions and visit the graves of their relatives and make food offerings at altars and temples. And it is observed from the 30th to the 15th day of the 7th month. So, ang ubon is multi-day sa taga Japanese, which is mag-celebrate ni sila to remember and honor their dead loved ones. So and kuan pod kanang magkuan pod ni sila kanang lapo ni sila ay mga sayaw-sayaw nga paghimuon or ritual or nga na ritual sayaw-sayaw. Then kanang lanterns kanang makita na ko sa lida kay if naay mamatay kay magpalupad man sila og lantern, then sunugon na nila, and it is serve the kanang to guide the spirits. Ang guide mo ang spirit or ang namatay nila nga loved ones mo kanang mo-guide nila. Then kung sa ato pa Pilipinas kalag-kalag, pero ang kalag-kalag baya nato diri kay all one, ang kalag-kalag nato kay 1 ug 2, but dili na siya kay nabay All Souls Day og All Saints Day, araw sa mga santos og araw pud sa kanang kalag. Then same na pud sa ilang kanang mag-serve sila og kanang food nga i-serve nila sa kanang altar og sa temple, dili sa ilahang mga kanang namatay nga or na dead nga mga loved ones nila. Mo na ang gitawag nga ubon sa Japanese traditions on their ancestral worship. So next is the Japanese beliefs. So the one beliefs of Japanese is the spiritual beliefs. So Japanese spiritual beliefs encompass a syncretic blend of Shintoism and Buddhism, influencing cultural practices, moral values, and societal norms. So, ang ginasamba sa mga taga-Japanese, which is Buddha, but nag-combine ang Shintoism and Buddhism. So, in the Philippines, during or after they go to church or after the mass, magana na si father or any priest magkuan og holy water. But in the, as you can see in the picture, the Japanese is kanang magpaaso bitaw, magpaasohan nila ang mga tao nga nanimba. Then next is the Japanese beliefs, which is the social values. Japanese social norms emphasize politeness, respect or ki, for hierarchy and harmony or wa within group settings, guiding interpersonal relationship and societal norms. So the kaning ang nabilong ang social values to the Japanese beliefs, which is kanang sign of the respect to other person. Sa Japanese, if kanang na sila nakatagbo nga co-Japanese nila or like close friend nila, ilang pagimon is kanang mag face to face sila, then bubaw na sila, then kuan pod kanang every magpray dili if magpray kay they put their hands together and like this, or if makatagbo po sila or kanang bitang mga dako nila kay mo pag ngana pa nilang kamot tas mo doko sila. But in the Philippines, ang ato is kanang mo blessed or biso-biso ngana or but kasagaran jud sa Pilipinas is kanang mo amin jud sa mga mas kuan nila, mas maguwang nila. Mao na ang social value diri sa kuan kanang Pilipinas. So as you can see in the picture, mao nila hang sign of their respect to others or how they socialize to other person. Mao na siya ang kanang social values of the Japanese beliefs. So mao to ang topic nako about sa Japanese culture, tradition, and beliefs. So I hope that you'd understand, and I hope that it would be clarify or masabdan ra kay sayo na jud kayo ang mga culture, tradition sa og belief sa Japanese. And that's all for today's report. Thank you and God bless everyone.